Most people get Simpro pricing wrong before they even see a quote. They expect a simple fixed monthly fee, like basic apps. But here's the truth no one tells you. Simpro pricing is built for trade businesses, so it scales based on how complex your operations are. In this video, you'll learn how Simpro pricing works in 2026, what affects the cost, what you actually get in return, and whether it makes sense for your business size. Let's break it down. Simpro does not publicly lock itself into one simple flat price. Instead, it uses a custom pricing model based on your company size, number of users, and the modules you need. That means two businesses using Simpro can pay very different amounts. Now here's where it gets interesting. The reason for this structure is that Simpro is not just a basic scheduling tool. It is a full job management system for trade businesses. So if you are a small operation like Alex HVAC startup, your needs are very different from Jake's electrical company managing multiple teams across job sites. Your pricing will depend heavily on what you activate inside the system. Let's talk about what actually drives the cost. First, the number of users. Every technician, office staff member, or manager added to the system can impact pricing. Second, the features you choose. Simpro includes modules like job scheduling, quoting, invoicing, job costing, and inventory management. The more you use, the higher the cost. Third, business scale matters. A company managing a few weekly jobs will not pay the same as a company handling hundreds of service calls every month. But here's the problem. Many businesses underestimate their long-term needs. They choose a smaller setup to save money, then quickly outgrow it and have to upgrade later. That's when costs increase more than expected. Now let's talk about what you are actually paying for. You are paying for full job visibility. From the moment a customer request comes in, to scheduling a technician, tracking materials, completing the job, and generating invoices, everything is connected in one system. That level of automation reduces manual work and errors. Now here's the key question. Is Simpro worth the price in 2026? If you are a small trade business with simple scheduling needs, Simpro might feel expensive and more advanced than necessary. You may not fully use all its capabilities. But if you are running a growing field service company with multiple technicians, complex scheduling, and a need for accurate job costing, Simpro can actually save money by reducing mistakes and improving efficiency. Now here's the biggest takeaway most people miss. Simpro is not priced as software. It is priced as infrastructure for your business operations. That means you are not just buying a tool. You are investing in how your business runs every day. So the real decision is not, is Simpro cheap or expensive? The real question is, does my business need this level of control right now? If you are ready to scale and organize your operations properly, Simpro can be a strong long-term investment. If not, a simpler tool may fit better for now. If this breakdown helped you understand Simpro pricing clearly, hit like, leave a comment with your business type, and subscribe for more practical software comparisons that actually help you make the right decision.